Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome back to Digital Eden Garden. Today our subject is Science Grade 5 and the topic is lesson number 1, Growing Plants. So let's start. Plants are living things. They play a very important role in our lives. The question is why plants are important. So the answer is because plants gives us a lot of things like food, sugar, oil, wood, fibers, rubber, gum, tea, coffee and spices. But one of the most important thing which plants provides us is oxygen. Students, we can't take breath without oxygen. We take breath in the presence of oxygen. So that's why plants are important. Students, look at the activity. Here are some pictures below and unscramble names of things we get from plants. The first thing that we get from the plants is paper. The second is fruits. The third is cloth. Fourth is flower. Fifth is wood. And the last one is food. As the plants provides us many things, so to meet our need, we need to grow plants. So let us read how we grow plants. Growing plants. We can grow plants by different ways. The first is from seeds, second from stems, third from roots, and fourth is from leaves. So let's study the first way of growing plants, which is from seeds. Students, seeds are present inside the fruits. The fruit we eat have seeds. New plants grow from seeds. Let's study the structure of kidney bean seed. This is the external structure of this seed, and this external structure is called seed coat, which is an outer covering which protects the baby plant which is inside of this seed. Here, this is also a seed hole. Seed hole allows water to enter the seed. The second is the internal structure of seeds. These two are cotyledons, which store the food for the baby plant which is inside of this seed. This is an embryo which grows into a baby plant, and then that baby plant will be grown into a new plant. Students, a plant produces many seeds, but all the seeds do not grow into the new plants. It has some reasons, which are some seeds are eaten by animals and humans, and some seeds are weak and do not grow. Wind and rain also destroyed some seeds. Some seeds do not get the proper conditions that are needed to grow into a new plant. When a healthy seed gets right conditions, for example, right amount of air, right amount of water, and right amount of sunlight, it grows into a baby plant, which is called seedling. Seedling is the baby plant. The process by which a seed grows into a new plant is called germination. Germination is the process in which a seed grows into a new plant. During germination, the seedling gets food from seed leaves called cotyledon. Students, during germination, the seedling means the baby plant is not able to make its own food. So the baby plants survive on the stored food, and the food is stored in cotyledons. The seedling means baby plant uses stored food until it grows its own roots and leaves. After the food stored in the cotyledons has been used, they shrink and falls off. The cotyledons shrink and falls off when the food stored in the cotyledons has been used and the baby plant became able to make its own food. The seedling means baby plant grows in size and develops leaves which make food for the plant through photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process in which plants makes its own food in the presence of water, carbon dioxide and sunlight. The roots of the plants absorb water and minerals from the soil. As the soil is enriched of water and minerals, so the roots of the plants absorb water and minerals from soil. So students, this was our today's lecture. We will study more about plants in our next video.